Now let's see the some of the more popular applications related with the artificial intelligence. There first I have mentioned the artificial intelligence in the music industries. What? Artificial intelligence in the music
industry.
Means what the musician does. Musician used to use the different musical instrument, for example guitar, etc, etc. Yes or no? And
Yes.
then he used to play the music, that kind of thing is there. So using the artificial intelligence, there is a one tool available in the market. That name of the tool is the MuseNet. All of you are observing this MuseNet.
MuseNet, okay.
MuseNet tool is there, which is based on the deep neural network that can generate 4 minutes musical composition with 10 different instruments. You got the meaning of these? Just like the human musician can play the different musical instrument and create the music out of that, in the similar way, using the artificial intelligence, the tool is developed. The name of the tool is what? MuseNet. And the technology behind that is what? Deep neural network, which can give you the experience of same kind of music that is being played by the human musician. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the one more important application of artificial intelligence. In which sector? Music
industry.
Industries.
Shall we go to the next example?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is already I have explained the previous video.
Yes.
Artificial intelligence, the Netflix and the YouTube recommendation. Here you can read over 75% of what you watch is recommended by the Netflix, and this recommendation are made by what? Machine
learning.
If you are not watched the second video that I have uploaded, you watch it. I have shown there recommendation by the YouTube. Got the point? So
yes, sir.
How this recommendation is done? Can anybody tell me how this recommendation is being done? For example, take the example of YouTube.
सर हम जो भी वीडियो देखते हैं ना, तो वो वीडियो की जो मेमोरी होती है वो स्टोर हो जाती है, मींस YouTube के डेटाबेस में.
आप
तो
YouTube पे अगर आपको लॉग इन करके देखते हो, दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट.
हाँ, लॉग इन करके. और फिर जब हम नेक्स्ट टाइम ओपन करते हैं YouTube, तो हमें उसी वीडियो के सिमिलर जो होते हैं ना वीडियोस, वो हमें वापस.
तो उसके बिहाइंड टेक्नोलॉजी कौन सी वर्क होती है? मशीन
लर्निंग यूज होती है.
मशीन क्या करता है कि this XYZ person last time he has viewed this kind of videos, that kind of videos, etc, etc.
Yes.
So whenever you go to the portal next time, automatically it take you to the number of video related with your previous watch video. If somebody has not seen that, please watch it again. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So Netflix, I am not using the Netflix. That's why I have not shown the live example of that. But I have shown you the live example of YouTube recommendation. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall we move forward then to the next example? This is also I have shown in the video.
Artificial intelligence product recommendation.
Yes or no?
हाँ, राइट. Amazon पे अगर हम कुछ सर्च करते हैं तो उससे रिलेटेड आता है.
जिन लोगों ने वीडियो देखा है उनको पता चल गया होगा कि this also I have shown in the live example of video second which I have uploaded. So here just I want to show you the ratio. 35% of Amazon revenue is generated by its recommendation engine. Amazon make the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to recommend the products to their customers. So whatever the revenue generated by the Amazon, 35% is generated because of what? Its recommendation engine. Understood? The recommendation engine क्या use करता है? Artificial intelligence and the what it utilize? Artificial intelligence and the machine learning. Okay. Now in the next slide I have shown you what same thing that I have shown in the video also. Can you able to read this? Customer who have viewed this item also view this.
Yes.
Yes. Also below I have written the same. Customer who bought this item also bought this.
Bought this.
Yes.
Fourth
Yes.
figure दिसते का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, those who have not seen that video, please watch it in order to understand this concept. Because without example, you will not able to understand the concept exactly. Okay. At the
Yes,
end of
sir.
this session, I will try to show you the live example once again if the time permit us. Okay. So Amazon recommendation, that is also be the one of the great example of artificial intelligence being supported with the help of the machine learning. Then come to the next important one. Artificial intelligence in agriculture and farming. Now there is a one technology being developed on the basis of artificial intelligence that is being called as the Blue River technology. What?
Blue River
Blue River
Blue
technology.
River technology. Blue River technology does what? Blue River technology develop robot called as a see and spray, which uses the computer vision technology to monitor and precisely spray weedicides on the cotton plants. Do you understand the meaning of these statements I have written there?
Yes, sir.
What it does, see and the spray means observe cleverly and then only do the spray.
Spray.
मराठीमध्ये सांगायचं तर आपण फवारणी करतो.
हो.
आपण काय करतो, जर तुमच्या याच्यामध्ये आता इथे कॉटन, हे स्पेसिफिकली कॉटन प्लांट साठी म्हणलंय.
Yes.
Yes.
कपाशी,
कापूस.
कापूस, बरोबर. तर कापसावर काय असतं, विडीसाइड्स म्हणजे ते छोटे छोटे कीटक असतात बघा.
कीटक.
हो.
बरोबर. तर आता आपण ज्यावेळेस ही मॅन्युअल स्प्रेइंग करतो, मॅन्युअल फवारणी करतो, आपण सगळ्यांनी बघितलं असेल.
Yes, sir.
हो.
बरोबर ना. आता तर मॅन्युअल आपण ज्यावेळेस स्प्रेइंग करतो किंवा आपण फवारणी करतो, then in that case there might be the chances. What are the chances? You might be spray at some location where it is not required. It can be happen or not.
Yes.
बरोबर ना, की जिथं कीटक नाहीत अशा ठिकाणी सुद्धा आपल्याकडनं काय होते,
फवारणी होते.
होऊ शकते. Understood? Then what is the disadvantage of that?
Wastage of
आपलं वेस्टेज ऑफ मेडिसिन जे यूज करतोय प्लांट साठी ते तर आहेच.
Yes.
मग जिथं गरज नाही तिथं जर तुम्ही फवारणी केलं तर ते जळून जाऊ शकतं ना.
खराब होऊ शकतं.
इट माइट
Yes.
गेट. आता काही जे लोक करतात फवारणी त्यांना माहित असेल काय होतं, बरोबर. तर मग त्याला आय एम ऑब्झर्विंग हिअर सम ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स आर चॅटिंग, सो डोंट डू दिस. ओके, फोकस हिअर. So alternative for that is what? The Blue River technology, which is being called as the see and spray, which uses the computer vision technology to monitor and precisely spray. Means what? Only spray at that location where the weedicides are there. Weedicides means what?
जो
insect. Okay, understood. So that is nothing but the one of the another major application of artificial intelligence in agriculture and farming. That is that name of that is what? The Blue River technology. समजलं application?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Go to the next one. Another one related with the agriculture and the farming. Okay. The name of that is the Plantix. What? Plantix. The Plantix application uses the image recognition to identify the defects and the nutrient deficiency in soil through the images. What the Plantix does?
The image recognition.
With the help of the image recognition, it try to determine whether there is a deficiency related with the nutrients or
the plants and the soil.
in the plants, yes or no. In the plants also, or in the soil also.
Soil also.
So that helps the particular farmers to do the what we can say to use the another kind of medicines or the another kind of things which can
Pesticides or something.
pesticides which can improve the
Nutrients in the soil and
nutrient level of the soil or the plant. Understood? So that is the one more important Plantix technology which works on the basis of the image recognition. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Now next one is related with the banking. What? Next one is related with what? The banking. Now in the banking sector, there is a one popular that is related with the HDFC Bank, which is being referred as the Ask Eva. What? Ask Eva. Now this is the chatbot. What?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next application that is related with the HDFC Bank, the chatbot being utilized by the HDFC Bank. Chatbot, can anybody tell me what is the meaning of chatbot? Have you heard this word before? Chatbot, CHATBOT. Chatbot. Yes, anybody? Shubham, chatbot means what?
The online support system is provided by the computer or the machine.
Online. So meaning of the chat is the general talking we are doing with each other, chatting. Bot, meaning of the BOT is nothing but the automatic, the program which works automatically. What? The program which works automatically. Now in our practical session also, somebody mic is on, please. Who is this? Okay. Now bot is nothing but what? The program which works automatically. Understood? Now in our practical session also we are going to develop one chatbot. Okay. By using the platform AIML, Artificial Intelligence Markup Language. Okay. Now HDFC Bank has developed their chatbot. The name of that chatbot is the Ask Eva. Okay. And this chatbot has addressed over 3 million customer queries up till, and still the number of queries being addressed through this kind of chatbot. Understood? Let me take you. Let me take you to the. Let me take you the live example of that. Can you able to see the change in the screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you able to? I have opened the website of HDFC Bank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here you can see Ask Eva. They have provided their chatbot. Okay. If you click here, now here you can see they have recommended us. You can get the information related with these different modules or these different what we can say the fields. For example, if I ask this chatbot block the card. Okay, what I ask here, block the card.
Block card.
And if I say the block debit card, then it is giving me a procedure to how to do all these kind of things.
Yes.
What? To how to do all these kind of things. Now, there is a one more feature which was present with this, which is recently they have disabled. But last time I have used that. If I ask here, what is my account balance? Now, because of this lockdown and all other security reasons, they have disabled this. But last year when I checked that, if I ask here the question, what is my account balance? Then it is asking me question like, what is your account number? Okay. And then it is sending me a one OTP. What? It is sending me a one OTP on my mobile. And once I enter my OTP here, then it is automatically showing me my balance.
Balance.
Understood? So they have made
Yes.
some restriction now, but still they have provided that you can get these all kind of information by using this chatbot. Name of that is what?
Chatbot. Eva.
Ask Eva. Okay. So these all the kind of things you can, these different kind of question you can ask here, and you will get the answer from this chatbot. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. And then come to our understood. Artificial intelligence in the banking sector
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
means just like upon physically one person interact with the another person. Now there is a no need that on the other side there is a no need that another person should be there. Now you can utilize the chatbot there, and chatbot will give you the answer related to your queries. Understood?
Queries.
So the chatbot is nothing but the programmatically automatic tool which give you the answer of your questions. Now number of companies are having their chatbots in the market. You can check out regarding the HDFC home loan services related chatbot. Then Royal Sundaram insurance companies are also having their chatbot. Okay, so they are online helping the customers. Understood? Now there are the other kind of chatbots are also there. They are also recognizing the your voice, and they are giving answer accordingly. Just like आता आपण इथं काय बघितलं, आपण टेक्स्ट मध्ये टाइप केलं, बरोबर? Hello. So there are also another chatbots are also there which can work based on the voice technology. You can speak with them and they will give the kind of information, just like replacing the text with the speech. Okay. Shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next comes the important one, the artificial intelligence in the social networking. And for example, the Facebook. And here comes the most popular example related with the machine learning and the deep learning. And that example is nothing but tagging of the friends. You must have observed, experienced this.
Yes.
What? Tagging of the friends on the
Friends.
Facebook. How this happens, how the tagging happens. Can anybody tell me how the friends tagging happens on the Facebook? फ्रेंड्स टॅगिंग होते हे तुम्ही बघितलं का फेसबुक वर कधी?
Yes. Yes, sir.
म्हणजे काय होतं, तुम्ही जर if you upload one group photo,
One photo. Yes.
बरोबर, त्याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही त्याच्यावर असं सर्फिंग केलं त्या फोटोवर, ते ऑटोमॅटिकली तुम्हाला दाखवतं. इट ऑटोमॅटिकली शोज यू नेम ऑफ युअर फ्रेंड्स.
Yes.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
How this happens?
It recognizes the faces.
How? That is I am asking now. How?
सर पहले ही स्टोर किया जाता होगा शायद फेस वगैरह.
पहले yes, some of your friend photo used to be there. Yes or no? Along with their information.
Yes.
So what the machine
Yes, sir.
learning and deep learning does, it compare all that data, previous data which is being already available. Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
and then it compare that photo with that previous data. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
And then the Facebook showing you the tagging of your friends.
सर वही जैसे जैसे वो होता है ना थंब वाला,
हाँ.
थंब का जैसे हम देते हैं, वो
हाँ.
प्रिंट पूरा चेक करता है और फिर उसके हिसाब से अगर हमारा उसमें स्टोर रहा वो थंब प्रिंट, तो ही हमको एंट्री पर मिलता है वहाँ डोर ओपन करने के लिए.
Yes. So what technology works behind this? The machine learning and the
Learning and deep learning.
deep learning. All of you got this application?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tagging of your friends using the facial features. Okay. Next also related with the social networking sites, that is now the Twitter.
Twitter.
Now you can read there, Twitter using the artificial intelligence to identify the hate speech and terroristic speech language in the tweets. What does it mean? Twitter is using the artificial intelligence to identify hate speech and terroristic language in the tweets.
Means
yes.
the text which provides the terrorism in the social
Means
or in the society.
in the Twitter messages, if you write some message, okay, you are getting what I'm saying. If you write some
Yes,
message, and if that message contains some terroristic language म्हणजे काय? Ki if you are in that message, if you are mentioning to kill somebody,
yes,
if you mentioning that message to kill somebody, or if you are writing in that message to do the bomb explosion somewhere, or if in that message, if you are trying to write the message like creating the riots in somewhere, yes or no? Riots in the
Yes.
sense dangal. Okay.
Okay.
Or in that message, if you write the hate speech म्हणजे काय? Ki this religion is not good, this religion is good, this person is not good, like that kind of things. Understood? So now what the Twitter, which is what the artificial intelligence helps in this case. So artificial intelligence does the processing of all these messages. What it does? It does the processing of all these messages, and in that messages, if it found some kind of this kind of messages, just I told you, okay, if it finds that kind of messages, such kind of hate speech content or the terroristic language content, then it automatically ban that kind of Twitter accounts. You are getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
What it does, it automatically suggests what? To ban such kind of Twitter accounts. And up till now, you can read here, the company discovered and banned 3 lakhs terrorist link accounts up till now, 95% of which were found by non-human. What?
Okay. Non-human.
हे जे 3 लाख टेररिस्ट लिंक अकाउंट जे बॅन झाले त्याच्यापैकी 95% कुणी who have found that?
Non-human.
That is founded by the non-human, in the sense by the machine itself.
Intelligent.
And that machine itself is nothing but referred as what? The artificially intelligent machine. What? The artificially intelligent machine. Got the another one example?
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but the, now you can search on the internet also. Government, everyday government used to ban a number of accounts, okay, related with these kind of things. You can search on the internet related with these kind of things. Got the application?
Yes, sir.
How the AI can be the useful in the Twitter and banning the terrorist link Twitter accounts. Next, another important one.
Yes, no. Car.
The application of artificial intelligence in the automobile sector.
In automobile sector.
Most of you heard about this. Now Tesla is the one of the company of America, and they are working
Yes,
on self-driving cars. They are working on what? Self-driving car, and they have made the one of the version of that is the robo taxi. What? Robo taxi, who can work like our taxi that you are using, but without any kind of driver inside them. What? Without any kind of driver inside the car. This is completely what you can say the unimaginable. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No driver in the car and still car is running properly. You can see the video of this application on the YouTube also. Now, so which technology is behind that? The technology is nothing but the artificial intelligence and its subtypes, the machine learning and the deep learning technology. So Google is also working on to create such kind of self-driven cars also, like the Tesla company. Now in the America, the experiments are going on such cars. Okay, still this kind of cars not in the market. Still the experiments are going on such kind of cars. Okay, and definitely the one day we can see the such kind of self-driving cars on in our country also, in our roads also. Okay, so self-driving cars. Now in the self-driving cars, one more example I want to show you, the Waymo's AI software, which is also used to, what we can say, Waymo is also AI software which is being utilized in the self-driving cars. What? Waymo software, Waymo AI software. Now that Waymo AI software utilizing the one of the sensor, that is the LiDAR, LiDAR. Can you anybody tell me the full form of this LiDAR sensor? LiDAR. I think some of you are having this in the seminar topic. Light detection and the ranging. It stands for what?
Light detection and ranging.
Light detection and ranging. Now for what purpose it is? To produce the control signal that operate the driverless car. म्हणजे काय? Suppose now for the driverless car, getting the signals through this different sensor is very much important. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Getting the signal from various sensor is very much important. Now, if the driverless car is on the road and in front of the driverless car, there is one more car is there. Now, care has to be taken that your car must not be stuck with that next car, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means there should be a specific difference between the your car and the next car.
Yes.
Now, to maintain that kind of difference, there is a utilization of the LiDAR sensor. LiDAR sensor does what? LiDAR sensor maintain the, what we can say, it maintain the calculation of distance between the your car and the car which is next to you by emitting what? By emitting the light.
Light detection.
What? By emitting the light, and from that, if the light if the light hit with the next object, you are getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
If the light hit with the next object, then that light retrace back. What?
Yes.
That light reflect back to the your car, and then your car, that software I have mentioned here, Waymo AI software, do the calculation. You are getting what I'm saying? If the distance, if the distance remains too less, then it will do what? It will reduce the speed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If the distance between the two cars is more, it can increase the speed.
Increase the speed.
Yeah. So like the LiDAR, LiDAR sensor, there are the various kind of sensors are being utilized in the driverless cars. Here, I just want to tell you the example. Such kind of driverless cars which are based on the techniques of artificial intelligence. On this kind of things, the experiments are going on, and their important role being played by the artificial intelligence. Okay. Come to the next point, which is also very important, the wordsmith. It is another AI power tool, wordsmith. By reading this, can anybody tell me what exactly it is doing? Wordsmith AI tool. Rohini.
The given data.
What is the wordsmith? Yes, More. Wordsmith is an AI power tool that produces what? That produces the written analytics by transforming the given data. What does it mean? Anybody? Shubham?
No, sir, no idea.
Okay. You last time you have referred the base paper for your seminar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On that, you used to see the abstract on the upper side.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but the summarization of your whole paper.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
AI power tool is nothing but doing the same kind of activity for you. You have to
Handle
just
the multiple languages.
provide it the content, okay, and by processing that your content, it can give you the summary of that content.
Okay.
It can give you what? Summary of that content. That is
Summary of
nothing but the written analytics, doing the analysis of written material.
Materials.
By how? By transforming the given data.
Given data.
Means if you just give you the content, it can extract the abstract out of that content. Very much important. That's why I have mentioned here artificial intelligence in what? Word summarization.
Summarization.
Or artificial intelligence in the content summarization, and that tool is called as what? The wordsmith tool.
So
Okay.
it is
Yes.
a work like a dictionary.
A dictionary means dictionary actually it is telling you the meaning. Here it is extracting the what we can say the मराठीत आपण त्याला सारांश म्हणतो. बरोबर. एक मोठा तुम्हाला 2-3 पेजेसचा कंटेंट दिलेला आहे. त्याच्यामधून तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? ऍब्स्ट्रॅक्ट तयार करायचा आहे त्याचा. काय? ऍब्स्ट्रॅक्ट. मग ऍब्स्ट्रॅक्ट कसा तयार होईल? पूर्ण पेपर तुम्हाला यू नीड टू रीड द होल पेपर, येस ऑर नो?
Yes.
But if you assign that task to the machine, here for example AI power tool, that is the wordsmith, then machine processing power is definitely more than us.
Yes.
So
Right.
machine can do that activity more faster than us.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
generating the word summarization or generating the content summarization, that is also one of the important application that is referred as
Okay.
artificial intelligence in the word summarization. Okay. Let me take you next. AI in the education. Can you able to see the
Yes, sir.
content? Yes. AI in the education. There I have mentioned 3 points: the training simulators, automated grading, interactive tutoring. Training simulators means what? Just like I am teaching you here now. Okay.
Yes.
Just like I am teaching you here now, the experiments are going on, and such kind of tools are robots are there in the market who can give you the training, just like I am giving you now, just like I am teaching you now. Yes or no? That is the meaning of what? The training simulators. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Just
Yes, sir.
as I am a human being, I am teaching you. In the market, such kind of robots are available who can teach you. You are getting the meaning of?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Sir.
Got the point?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is nothing but the artificial intelligence in the education sectors. The non-natural trainers are being developed. That name of the non-natural trainers is nothing but the robots. Understood? Who can teach you? That kind of robots can also do the automated grading also. What does it mean? Automated grading?
Marking.
जसं मी आता तुम्ही पेपर लिहिले, इन्सिनिस्टचे पेपर लिहिले तुम्ही, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
You write the papers, and I used to check that,
Yes.
and I used to give you the marks. Correct?
Yes.
In the similar way, the robots can do the such kind of
Same
things.
thing.
That is called as what? The automated
Grading.
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 अंडरस्टूड. तर हे सगळं आपल्याला जर आपण मशीन कडून एक्सपेक्ट करतोय, तर त्याच्या अगोदर आपल्याला काय करावं लागतं? ते मशीनला काय करावं लागतं? आपल्याला ट्रेनिंग, वी नीड टू गिव्ह द ट्रेनिंग टू दॅट मशीन. दॅट्स वाय द वर्ड युटिलाइज हिअर इज व्हॉट? द ट्रेनिंग सिम्युलेटर्स.
Simulator.
तर रोबोट जर आपल्याला ट्रेन करणार असेल, तर आपल्याला अगोदर रोबोटला काय करावं लागतं? ट्रेन करावं लागतं. You got the point. That happens when the robot, we are developing robots for certain purpose. हे application कळलं सगळ्यांना?
हो सर.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर.
Okay, next. AI in the medical sector. What? AI in the
medical
medical
sector.
sector. Now, number of complex surgeries or the operations. Now, you know, to do the complex surgery or the operations of the internal organ, you can imagine how much difficult it is for the doctor. It is very much difficult. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, it is also possible to develop robots who can develop the complex operation of the internal organs.
Organs.
It's a very good. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because if even the doctor is the human being, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
He is also having the emotions.
Yes.
Number of operations fails only because the doctors could not able to control their emotions during such kind of complex operation. Am I right?
Yes. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But robot ला काय emotions आहेत का?
No.
No.
Right.
He can do it more precisely and correctly. त्याला आणखीन भरपूर वेळ आहे, पण the experiments are going on these things. Got the point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second one in that I have written the predicting the disease. That example lastly I told you expert systems.
Yes.
बरोबर ना?
Yes. Oh.
Say third one I have written a replacement of workers in the hospital. आता तुम्ही कोरोनाच्या काळातच न्यूज ऐकली असेल काही हॉस्पिटलमध्ये की some hospital has deployed the robots in their hospitals.
I heard.
बरोबर ऐकलंय का कोणी?
हो सर हो.
काय की म्हणजे नर्स आता because even the nurse duties to serve the patient, but nurse is also having the what we can say the chances of having the corona. मग if you replace the nurse with the robotics, robot ला होईल का corona?
नाही.
Right.
Nice. That is also the great application, replacement of
Yes.
workers in the hospital. In number of hospital it is being going on. Got the point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Next, AI in the
Military.
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 Actually, it is now the medical military. It's a typo. It is the AI in the military.
Yes.
Okay. So, you must have heard these things also. The number of countries, for example, USA, now they are developing
Yes.
the robot soldiers.
Yes sir.
What? They are developing what? Robot soldiers.
Robot soldiers.
Because robot soldiers, if they get killed or not, it doesn't matter. Yes
Right.
or no? But
Go
the
harm
life
to
of
humans.
but the life of the human
Human
being
life.
always matters. Understood? It is being also said that if the third world war will happen, the main role in the third world war will be played by the robot soldiers only.
Robots. Right.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Another application of this kind of soldiers can be work in the prohibited areas or the dangerous areas without any kind of what we can say, without any kind of difficulties. Got the point? आता आता जो रिसेंटली इन्सिडेंट झाला आपला चीन बरोबर इन द गलवान एरिया लडाख.
Oh.
There number of soldiers from their sides and number of soldiers from our sides were died not because of the fight between them. Yes, fight between them is the reason, but they die by falling in the hilly area. What? By falling in the
Hill area.
hill area. तिथं जो दोन्ही साइडनी डोंगर आहे तिथं खाली.
Hmm.
You got the point what I'm saying?
Oh.
Yes.
They die because of the falling in the hilly area,
Hill area.
by stucking their heads with the rocks, etc., etc. Understood? मग तिथं जर robots असते तर this kind of things can be easily avoided, but in the future that will also become possible. Then second one I have written replacement for the bomb disposal squad. What? Replacement for
Bomb
what?
disposal.
Squad, right. हाँ,
You must have
समझा.
heard this also कि
Yes.
अभी जो आपको बॉम्ब डिस्पोजल करना हो तो आपको खुद पुलिस को भेजना पड़ता है या सोल्जर
हो.
जो उसमें व्हाट यू कैन से
वो स्पेशलिस्ट को बुलाना पड़ता
स्पेशलिस्ट
है
को
जो बॉम्ब
बुलाना
डिफ्यूज
पड़ता
कर
है,
सकता है.
लेकिन उसको उसके जान को भी खतरा रहता है नहीं?
हार्म होता है. राइट.
खतरा तो रहता है. सो उसको हम रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. उसको उधर उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? इंटेलिजेंट रोबोट बना सकते हैं. स्पेसिफिकली किस पर्पज के लिए?
बार्जेन बात करना.
बॉम्ब डिस्पोजल के लिए. गॉट द पॉइंट?
राइट. हाँ.
So these are being I have written it all them under the modern soldiers. Got this application AI in the military?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, AI in the industry sectors. AI in the industry sectors. आता मी जर suppose consider Shubham is working in the industry, and if I ask the
Okay.
Shubham to take the one object from one location and put that object to the another location, and Shubham has to do these things continuously 12 hours without stopping. You got the point what I'm telling? काय? Do you understand
Yes,
what I'm?
sir.
शुभमला काय करायचंय
Continuous
की
working.
तिथं एक स्पेअर पार्ट्स ठेवला आहे, सपोज कारचे स्पेअर पार्ट्स ठेवले. शुभमला काय करायचंय, ते स्पेअर पार्ट्स एका लोकेशन वरून दुसऱ्या
एका
लोकेशनवर
ठिकाणाहून
ठेवायचे आणि हे कंटिन्युअसली करायचंय शुभमला. किती तास?
12 hours.
12 hours.
12 hours.
And now imagine what will be the situation of the Shubham. Will he able
Not possible.
that? No, nobody able to do that.
Not possible.
Not possible. But आपण जर रोबोट, if you create the robot, त्याच्यासाठी काही लिमिटेशन्स येतील का आपल्याला? नाही. He can do the work tirelessly or not?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Of course, he can do it not 12 hours, he can do it 24 hours, anytime. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the task where the repetitive work has to be done, in that place, robot can work very smoothly and without any kind of difficulty. So basically, this kind of application is very much applicable in the manufacturing industries. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Got this application?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go to the next. AI in the product recommendation. This already we have discussed. Various product recommendation to the customers. Okay. Next one important, AI in the handicap support.
Very useful.
Very useful. Based on what? The voice technology. बरोबर ना. आता consider
Yes, sir,
करा
yes.
की there is a one person who has lost his hands in the accident. What? One person has lost his hand in the accident. You got the situation?
Yes.
Oh.
Can he able to operate the mobile?
No.
Then if the voice, if in that case Google Assistant can be very useful or not?
Yes, very
Yes,
useful.
sir.
He can operate the mobile through the voice technology. Yes or no?
Yes.
And that is
Yes,
another one very good example of AI for the what? Handicap support.
Person.
समझलं?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one.
Yes.
AI in the emotion processing and the handling. Can you able to see the Mona Lisa picture?
Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Here I have written
Yes,
the
sir.
AI in the emotion processing and handling. What does it mean?
So AI detect the emotion and give the solution for
With the
it.
help of the facial,
Handling.
with the help of the facial expression, detecting the facial expression. Which technology is required there? Deep learning or not?
yes, sir. Of
Yeah.
course.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So AI can be used to detect the emotions of the human being, emotions like happy, surprise, confusing, sad, disgusting, etc. etc. So this knowledge like detecting the facial expression and the voice recognition, it is possible for the AI to detect our emotional state, and this can be very useful to determine whether particular person is in the depression or not.
Depression.
Am I right?
Yes,
Facial expression वरून समजू शकता की नाही?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
sir.
Yes. So there also AI can play the very important part, and that application is what? AI in the emotion processing and the handling.
Handling.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. And here now we have finished the applications related with
Applications.
the
Yeah.
artificial intelligence.
Artificial
I
intelligence.
think more than 20
Intelligence.
applications we might have discussed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understood. So definitely 10 marks question always used to be there in the exam. Got the point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to see that live example of product recommendation here? और
पता है सर, हमें वैसे देखा है हमने.
देखा है ना, जिसने देखा नहीं वो देख ले वीडियो में. Understood?
Okay.
हाँ.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So any difficulty in the point that we have discussed today?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, the same video I am going to upload on my channel also. You can go through it once again and take the notes. Have you all of you assigned the notebook or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, you have to take the notes on because I'm not going to ask you to write the assignment and all these kind of things, but you can make your notes so that you can understand it from these
Yes.
contents.
Yes.
Sir.
Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so is it sufficient for today?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me take the attendance. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section.